Hi everyone. Can you say hi?
Hi!
Can you tell everybody what we're going to do today?
We will find rocks, flowers, leaves, and duckies.
We're going on a nature walk. So today we're going to be looking for rocks, flowers, leaves,
And duckies!
So we're going to see
Quack,
some.
quack, quack.
We are going to see some duckies too. So let's go.
It's a quack, quack, quack.
Let's see. Can you find some flowers for us? Well, oh, look at that one. Yeah, look at that pretty flower.
Yeah,
You see it? What color is it?
pink.
Oh, look. There's a bee.
Can I touch it?
No, you can't touch the bee. Let's let it fly away. But what color is the flower?
But I want this one.
You want this one?
Yes.
Okay. What color is it?
This star. Oh, can I get another flower?
Yeah, that flower made you sad. Okay, what color is that flower?
White.
White and what color? White and
Pink.
pink and what else?
They have green leaves.
It has green. Good job. Now let's go. Let's show them. Let's find some duckies. Come on, let's go look at the duckies. Oh, look, here's one right here in the grass. Oh, there it goes. It's off. Hold on.
Let's go close.
And
Mom, let's go close to it.
oh, look at the baby duckies over there.
Mom, let's go close.
Does the duck live inside or outside?
Outside.
Outside. Does the duck live in? Do they all live in water? Or do they live on land too?
There's in the water.
Land and water. Good job.
But look out there.
Oh yeah, there's some ducks over there too. Come on, let's go find some more stuff.
Maybe we go around or walk. There's a walk.
Careful. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. It's just mud, baby.
My shoes got dirty.
It's okay. We'll clean them.
How much shoes get dirty?
Did you step in a puddle? Come on. It's okay. Do you see any leaves? Oh, wait. I found a leaf. Look. A leaf. Look. I found one right there.
I will get it.
What color?
White.
No, that's not white. What color is that? Let me see.
Brown.
What?
Brown.
It is brown.
And I got my apple
It's
watch.
brown and green. Let's see if we can find another one.
Mom, can you hold this?
Okay.
Mommy,
Look, here's one. Look.
Where?
This one right here.
This one?
No, right here.
Right there?
Yes.
I'm going to carry it.
You can carry it.
It's brown. No, Mommy just found
And what else do we need to look for?
a rock.
A rock.
Let's see.
Your memory is just as good as mine, baby. If not better. No, that's not a rock. Don't touch that.
Okay. We always have seeds and flowers, and Mom got these. We got small one, I got big one.
We just need one more.
Oh, this like this blush light.
Oh, look at all these pretty flowers. The blue bonnets. You see?
Let's go down.
Oh, we can't cross the water, baby. We gotta look from this side. You see all the pretty flowers?
Yeah. This one?
Yeah, over there.
Yeah.
You gotta walk across the whole little pond to make it over there. But let's see if we can find a rock.
Mommy, my shoes are dirty. One, two, three, dirty.
It's okay.
Daddy had to wash them.
Mommy will wash them when we get home.
Thank you.
Yeah, Daddy's at work. You're welcome. Okay, let's go. I'm surprised we haven't come.
Get grounded.
No, we're not gonna get on the ground. Come on, let's find a rock.
Mommy, I found another one.
Another.
Let's get it. Mom, I can pull it.
Here, let me help you. Uh-oh, can't put our mask on the floor, on the ground. Here, can you blow it? Blow. 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 Here, I'll hold it, you blow. Blow. Blow really hard. Oh, look, it's coming off. Blow, keep blowing. Okay, it's okay.
It's dirty. You need to get enough some, Mommy.
Oh, wait, I think I found a big rock. Now, we can't pick this one up. You see that rock right there? It's really heavy. Right there. You see it?
The big one?
Yeah, the big one. It's really heavy, so we can't pick it up, so we can only look at it. It's like a stone.
Yeah.
Right there, look.
You go close.
Stay near me. Yeah, right there. Oh, we're not going to pick that up, baby. That's too heavy.
I guess I'll try.
Here, we can look at it.
Okay. Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it. Then can you tell me, is it smooth or is it rough?
Smooth.
It's smooth. Oh, yeah, it is smooth right here. But touch right here. Is this smooth or is this rough?
It was.
Rough?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's close out of our video. Come here.
But we need to do one more.
Say,
Bye.
say thank you guys for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Press the button.